Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate Radahn's Great Rune in Elden Ring. Radahn is located at the end of Radahn Castle in southeastern Caelid. To access his boss fight, you'll need to activate the festival Radahn Castle, which can be triggered after progressing Ranni's questline or by reacting to Altus Plateau. Use the teleporter inside the castle country yard to reach Radahn's area, and once defeated, he'll drop the Radahn's Great Rune. To activate it, this need to be done at the Divine Tower of Caelid. You can see the tower in the distance when you fast travel to Dragon Barrow West. From the Dragon Barrow West, ride the northeast toward the Divine Tower. Look for two branches near a cliff. Jump onto the upper vertical branch, and from here, hop onto the platform near the ladder guarded by an enemy. Climb the ladder and reach another long ladder and climb to the top. Now, walk across another ledge to reach the Divine Tower of Caelid, center Site of Grace. From the Site of Grace, head west. Follow the long stairways all the way up and take the elevator at the top. At the summit, you'll find the glowing sigil to activate Radahn's Great Rune. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.